There we go. This is Bibim Naengmyeon. Mixing. Summer in Korea. Wow, it is hot. Summer in Korea is very hot. And I'm biking to work at the moment along this road. These lovely houses in the background. It's beautiful here. So this is the top of the sort of hill before I head into work. God, it's nice. These little wee farms. It's kind of cool. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Summer is hot. So when I go to work, I got to wear my bike clothes, a little bit more sporty, and then change when I get to work. Luckily, there's a lot of aircon, so when you're at work, you don't notice the heat. But biking to work is tough in summer. But it's so beautiful on a day like this, though. Nice clear blue skies, and you can see a bunch of dragonflies as well. It's so gorgeous. Staying cool in summer in Korea is about eating the right types of foods, avoiding going outside if you can, which is difficult because I run every day, but try to go early in the morning and enjoying it, because when winter comes it's freezing. You can go back and see a couple of my other videos. You can see the snow on the ground in winter. It's insane. It's so cold. And yet right now, I'm in shorts and t-shirt. And it is very, very hot. So I'll show you a little bit more about what I do in summer. The heat. The hottest part of the year in summer in Korea. Ice Americano is probably one of the most important things in summer in Korea. At least for me it is. Every morning, ice Americano. Finish the coffee and then top it up with a bit of water. So you got some ice water. Great way to stay cool in the incredible heat we're having. Here in Korea, there's tons. Every place has some kind of ice drink. So it'd be very rare to not find an ice Americano. They're also very cheap. So this costs about $1, about $1.50. Very good price. And best way to stay cool on a hot summer's day. It's 34 degrees outside and I'm heading home after work. What a beautiful day though. Middle of summer. Sun will go down just before 8 o'clock. So if I get home quick, I've got a few hours to enjoy some beautiful sunny weather. And just up ahead, we've got some people playing in the fountains. So it's quite often they'll put fountains on during this time. A lot of sort of water play. So you can sort of see that in the background there. So the kids can sort of enjoy the water and stay cool. A lot of sort of fun. They have a good time. Beautiful green colors. Summer in Korea really is. It's all about what's green. Oh, found this little mantis. Get away from me. Now this next thing I show you needs to be explained. Jumped on the bikes after work with my wife and we've headed to the park. What we're going to do is walk in mud. Sounds strange, right? But take the shoes off, take the socks off, and we're going to walk in this clay mud. And it's like a whole thing. They've got water for you to wash your feet with. Everything's set up. And there's like a lot of these paths that run through the park that you can walk on. So you can walk around for quite a large distance. And look at it. Oh, it's so squishy. The idea is that by walking in the mud, you're grounding yourself. So the electricity is flowing out of your body into the earth. And that's good for the body. Essentially good for your health, good for releasing stress as well. For me personally, I just like getting my feet, no shoes, on the ground. It's good for runners, especially considering how much I'm running and exercising. Other cool things, you've got this Usan using area, which Usan is an umbrella. So you can get an umbrella and hire it. It's raining. And of course, we can wash our feet at the end. The last thing you want to do is walk around with muddy feet and socks or shoes. You can wash them, dry them, and get them back in the shoes or in the sandals for me. So this time though, we're doing Bibim Naengmyeon, cold noodles with a spicy sauce. This is like the ultimate summer dish. Spicy, get that sweat going, and then you've got cold noodles with a little bit of icy broth on the bottom. It's perfect. Look, I've already made it. How easy is that? Best thing about making Bibim Naengmyeon is the part where you mix it up. Bibim means mix, so we're gonna mix this guy up. Ooh. There we go. This is Bibim Naengmyeon. Mixing. Today's summer mission is to go on a hike. When it's hot, you don't want to be walking around with all the concrete, so let's get away from this concrete jungle and into a real jungle, or well, basically a forest. City on one side, beautiful forest on the other side. And when you get up there, you're in the trees, there's breeze, you're out of the sun. It's so cool.
Like this? Yeah, like this.